Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here. His name is Jay and his wife. And here is their business, See Me Rolling.
We're also on Instagram and Facebook.
Alright, I'll put that on the description. I have Jay over to help me out to roll a fender on the rear side. And looks like he's warming up the fender. What do you do? What do you do that, Jay?
We usually warm it up so that way it prevents your paint from cracking. The heat.
Oh, okay.
Really helps the paint expand, and it just helps it pretty much bend in.
Oh, okay. That way, the paint don't crack,
yeah.
or it will keep the metal flexible.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so on my last episode, I just did a coilover and then took it for a test drive, and the tires are rubbing. So
get that cleared up right.
Cool.
So you up your tire, right?
Yeah. So I mean, this is the only tire that I have, so I don't want to put any more damage on it. Alright. Alright guys and girls, if you guys in local, hit them up. All the information I'm going to put on the description. They've been doing for a while now, about 4 years plus.
Sure.
Over 1,000 cars plus. But yeah.
We also do headlight restoration.
Oh, okay.
One similar to this one, a white one.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah. It heats up and heats.
Oh yeah, and Jay and his wife, they do mobile too. So, and which is good. They come to you, so So how long does it take you to complete the job if it's only like both sides only?
Usually about 45 minutes.
About 45 minutes? Okay.
Sometimes a little longer if the car doesn't want to let it.
Right. Cool. So right now Jay is doing trying to flatten that tab out and go from there.
Yeah,
hopefully that will solve the problem. I don't want to go too crazy because I think as is the height, I think I like it that way, because I'm planning to put a kit on it too, so I don't want to go too low. And check out that van on there, dude. VIP. Feels like everything is all smooth now, huh? Smooth and flat. Hey man, I appreciate you coming out here, man. It's raining too, man. I was like, oh man, he's on his way already. I don't want to like tell him, be like, hey man, maybe we could do this tomorrow. Because you guys from Lawrenceville, so that's like a trip, you know.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's on the other side.
Traffic just on time too. So.
I know the traffic down there. Which way you guys coming from? Like 316?
Yeah, we were at the job before this. It was right there.
Yeah, so I was like just.
We were already halfway here.
Yeah. I was debating. I was like, oh shit, should I just tell him that come back tomorrow? Cause a rainy day like this, I don't want nobody.
Rain or shine.
Yeah. But
Rain or shine, we work.
you guys hear that? Rain and shine, man. They come, dude. This is what I call commitment, man. Cool. All right. Oh, let's. Matter of fact, you guys are the first people that ever touched my car, man. ever worked on my car, man. Shit. Cause I could just do it on my own,
The pleasure's ours.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that trust us with their babies.
Yeah.
And we have people that come to us from all the place. We have people that come all the way from Alabama, North Carolina.
Oh
South
shoot!
Carolina.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's business right there, man. All right, so should we lower the car down or find out what's going on? Or
Yeah, let's see how it
so, what do you think, man? Oh yeah, it's better before. That's for sure. Yeah, I guess we could try that. We could try that first, and then go from there.
Yeah.
It will clear, right?
Yeah, I think it will.
Yeah, I think it should be all right. The suspension is pretty stiff too, so.
Yeah, I think you should begin unless you're gonna be in the back making babies.
Yeah, I mean, sooner or later I might have to, camper this thing.
Yeah, a little bit of camera would.
Yeah.
But it should be good.
Yeah, cause I haven't taken to alignment yet, but for sure, once I'm all drifting, I gotta fix all my settings too. So yeah, it's all good. That's good, man. All good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's too dark. What Jay did was he flattened out that little tab right here. Flat.
Yeah, you can show them the difference from the other side.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm using my phone right now too, so the quality is kind of. Yeah, right here. This is what Jay was doing. This little tab right here. All he did was flatten it all the way out. I mean, all the way inside. All around it. Alright, so he did that. Hey Jay, you lie, man. It's only 30 minutes, man. It's all good, man. Alright, so now Jay's doing the other side. He's measure it out.
Yeah, because you really only do the whole thing when you're like going like have like stupid stance, you know.
Right.
Then you would want the whole thing out, but since this is gonna be like a drifter.
Yeah.
don't really think you need
It's
it.
all good, man. I mean, I had nothing against stance, but you know, it's just, it's not my cup of tea, man.
Yeah, some people just do really aggressive setups.
Yeah, very
It's
aggressive.
crazy, like dude, you can't fit those 12-inch wheels with just a fender roll, man. You need a flare.
Yeah, it's been done, but you know, it's just too crazy, man. Yeah, you can tell Jay know what he's doing, man. 4 years plus, over 1,000 cars, man. This is like he could do it in his sleep, dude. It's all good, dude. Like I said, man, appreciate you coming out, man.
Yes, sir. Glad we can help.
I know it's late. Like most places, they're closed already. But you know, you guys willing to come out. I'm just trying to get this thing done, man. It's just like I said, man. It's been overdue, and you know, I have all the stuff already. You know, I just, you know,
Yeah,
so
it messed up this tire.
yeah, yo. You could tell that tire has been messed up. But yeah, these tires are it's very grippy, and it still have a lot of threads. It's good now, huh? Alright, so Jay's gonna take a look at it from the other side, comparison to this side.
We have everything on point.
On point. Damn, hear that? Shit. Alright, looks like he's done.
Sticky.
Oh yeah. Much better now.
Perfecto.
Oh yeah, perfecto, yo. Look at that. The paint is not cracking.
No bacon.
No bacon.
No bacon.
Oh. Heck yeah. Look at that.
This is his.
Here, this is your lighter?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I think it should be alright. Should be right. It's something.
This thing is beautiful, man.
Yeah, it's okay, man. It's just stock right now. So okay. So thanks a lot.
See me rolling, let
No,
hits up.
thank you for letting us work.
Yeah.
Facebook, Instagram.
All right.
You already know.
All right. I'll
We
put
got
all the
some more.
information on the description, and then check them out, you guys. And you know they did an awesome job. You know, this is a 10 out of 10. And like Jay said, there's no bacon, so I don't know what that term is, but it's not crispy or overcooked or something. But
No, it's not wavy. It's not wavy.
it's not wavy. Okay, all right, all right.
No bacon.
I don't, man, I'm old school, man. So I'm old school, man. So yeah, if that's the terminology, then all right, I go with that. So everything's all good, man. Look at that. Okay, this is it. The end of the video, and so I'm gonna end this video. All right, thanks Jay and his wife,
Peace out, man.
and they're gonna head out, go home, and
Enjoy
next
this
day
nice
again.
rainy weather.
I don't know. I think it's gonna rain this whole week, man.
All right.
Yeah.